Hey y'all, and welcome back to your channel name. You know how much I love a good transformation story, and today we're in for a real treat. We're diving headfirst into a full room makeover, but here's the catch. Every single item we're using is from the dollar store. I truly believe that creating a beautiful and inviting space doesn't have to break the bank. It's amazing what a little creativity and some elbow grease can do. We're going to tackle some fun DIY projects that'll add personality and charm without emptying your wallet. Get ready for some gorgeous DIY decor that looks way more expensive than it actually is. Clever organization hacks to tidy up any space, and some functional upgrades that'll make a world of difference. Stick around until the end to see the incredible final reveal. You won't believe it's the same room. One of the easiest ways to make a big impact in a room is with wall art. But let's be honest, those beautiful framed pieces at the home decor stores can cost a pretty penny. Today, we're going to create our own stunning art pieces using, you guessed it, dollar store canvases. First things first, grab a few canvases in different sizes. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Now let's talk about design. I love using stencils for a touch of farmhouse charm. You can find some great stencils at the dollar store or even create your own using cardboard. Once you have your stencil in place, simply use acrylic paint to fill in the design. You can keep it simple with one color or get creative with multiple shades. I always say, let your personality shine through. While the paint is drying, let's add some texture. Burlap is a classic farmhouse staple, and you can usually find it at the dollar store. Cut the burlap to size and use fabric glue to attach it to the canvas. This adds a touch of rustic warmth that I just love. For a final touch, consider adding some embellishments. Wooden letters, buttons, or even small trinkets from the dollar store can add that extra bit of personality. Just use a hot glue gun to secure them in place. And there you have it, y'all. Beautiful custom wall art that looks like it came straight out of a magazine without the hefty price tag. Remember, the beauty of DIY is that you can personalize it to your heart's content. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Next up, we're tackling organization. I truly believe that a clutter-free home is a happy home. But who says storage solutions have to be boring? Today, we're turning those plain plastic storage bins we all have into stylish pieces that look like they came straight from a high-end store. First, grab a few plastic storage bins in various sizes. These are perfect for organizing everything from craft supplies to linens. Next, head to the fabric aisle at the dollar store and choose a fabric that complements your room's decor. Now here comes the fun part. Cut the fabric to size, making sure to leave enough extra to wrap around the entire bin. Secure the fabric to the bin using fabric glue or spray adhesive. I like to start with the sides and then fold the fabric over the edges for a clean, finished look. To add a touch of sophistication, consider adding some decorative trim. Rope, ribbon, or even lace can elevate the look instantly. Just use a hot glue gun to attach the trim along the edges of the bin. For the finishing touch, add labels. You can find cute chalkboard labels at the dollar store, or simply use a piece of cardstock and a marker. Now you can easily see what's inside each bin and keep everything organized. And there you have it. Stylish storage solutions that are as functional as they are beautiful. No more hiding those plastic bins in the back of the closet. These beauties deserve to be on display. Mirrors are like magic for a room. They reflect light, making the space feel larger and more inviting. But those large statement mirrors we see in magazines, they can cost a small fortune. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're creating a stunning mirror wall using, you guessed it, dollar store mirrors. Head to the dollar store and grab a variety of small mirrors in different shapes and sizes. Don't be afraid to mix and match. That's what gives it character. Now, let's talk placement. I like to lay out all the mirrors on the floor first to get a feel for the arrangement before I start hanging. Once you've found a layout you love, it's time to start hanging. Use a strong adhesive or small nails, depending on the weight of the mirrors and your wall type. Start from the center and work your way out, making sure to leave a little space between each mirror. And this is where you can really let your creativity shine. You can create a symmetrical design for a more formal look, or go for a more eclectic vibe with a random arrangement. There's no right or wrong way to do it, and that's all there is to it. With a little patience and a few dollar store mirrors, you've created a stunning focal point that brightens up the entire room. It's amazing what a difference a little reflection can make, right? You all know how much I love a good upcycling project, and this next one is no exception. We're transforming a simple glass jar into a high-end decor piece that looks like it came straight from a fancy home goods store. And the best part, it only costs a couple of dollars. Start with a clean, empty glass jar. You can use a mason jar, a spaghetti sauce jar, or any other jar you have on hand. Now, let's give it a little texture. I love using twine for this. Simply wrap the twine around the jar, securing it with hot glue as you go. For a touch of rustic charm, try adding some wooden beads. Thread the beads onto the twine before wrapping it around the jar, or simply glue them on afterwards. You can find these at the dollar store, often in the craft or floral section. To add a pop of color and freshness, grab some faux flowers from the dollar store. I love using eucalyptus stems or hydrangeas for a touch of elegance. Arrange the flowers in the jar, trimming the stems as needed, and there you have it, a beautiful custom vase that adds a touch of rustic elegance to any room. Just fill it with your favorite faux flowers or greenery, and you've got yourself a stunning centerpiece that looks way more expensive than it actually is. And there you have it, friends, a complete room transformation using only dollar store finds. Who says you need to spend a fortune to create a beautiful home? I hope this inspires you to tackle some DIY projects of your own and see the potential in everyday items. Which of these DIYs was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more budget-friendly DIY ideas. Share this video with your friends who love a good bargain and a stylish home makeover. Gap 2S. Before we wrap up, I wanted to share some bonus tips for making the most out of your dollar store DIY projects. Tip number 1, always think outside the box. Just because an item is labeled for a specific use doesn't mean you can't repurpose it. For example, a simple plastic tray can be transformed into a stylish serving platter with some paint and creativity. Tip number 2, invest in basic crafting supplies. Having essentials like glue guns, spray paint and craft knives can make a world of difference in your projects. These tools can help you achieve a more polished and professional look. Tip number 3, don't be afraid to mix and match items. Combining different textures and materials can add depth and interest to your decor. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!